Hello folks, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. This is Slough 1963, or also known as Pee-wee's World. Well, I bought another junker, and this one is a junker. It's a 1966 Ford Falcon. Well, it's not really a junker, but it needs a little more love than my other Falcon does. This guy told me that this car was a rust-free car. It was trouble-free. It drove great. Didn't need much at all. New brakes, new this, new that. Well, yeah, it was new several years ago, but it ain't current. And it does have some rust in it and some bad places underneath, but they can be fixed. It's just more work than I wanted to put in it, so I'm a little disappointed. But the car is alright. I guess it's just gonna need some love. I'm just a little disappointed. Like I said, it was a fiasco getting it here. I bought it in Fort Wayne, Indiana, which is a 4-hour drive from my house in Louisville, Kentucky. So it was an ice storm. I didn't have the chance to crawl underneath and look at it like I wanted to. It was really nasty. So I just bought it and drove it home. That was my fault for doing that. I know better. So it is what it is. It's mine. I gotta deal with it. So it's something I can do anyway. So just didn't want to have to. So I get about 5 miles from my house, and the ignition system goes bonkers on it. So I had to have it towed 5 more miles to my house. At least it didn't break down in Indianapolis or somewhere stupid. But it made it home. But I'm just mad because the guy didn't tell me the whole truth. You know, it is what it is, I guess. You know, things are. Anyway, we'll pop the boot, or the trunk as we call them in America. He has put a liner in it, but as you can see, he got a little bit of rust there in that wheel well tub. We got a little bit over here. Grind it out a little bit, clean it up, put some kills on it, and touch it up with some paint. Undercoating or something, it might do okay. So with that, it's a straight little car. I got the wrong year hubcaps on it. I had to put 66 hubcaps on it. That's all I could get cheap enough, quick enough. It had mismatched hubcaps on it. I couldn't deal with it. So, or 69 hubcaps. But the back seat ain't too bad. It's got a few stains in it. Nothing real bad. Headliner damage to the rear. They like to leak. What do you think about a car with cigarette lighters on both, or cigarette ashtrays on both sides of the car? Is that weird? You don't see that anymore. Smells like an old car. Door panels are pretty solid. I like that. Dashboard pad's going to be the hardest part to get on the inside. They make carpet kits for them. I can get the seats reupholstered. I ain't too worried if they're original. It's just going to be a drive around, run around car. So we'll see. We'll see what we get when we get it. It is a 206 cylinder. So it's got the wrong carburetor on it and the wrong air cleaner, which I'm going to fix that. I got the right air cleaner. I just got to buy a carburetor and reclock the distributor, because the distributor's in such a way that the vacuum advance is blocking the oil dipstick tube, so I can't get that out. I was hoping to transfer it in my name today, but the DMV was so backed up with all kinds of stuff, there was no way I was going to get it done today, because I didn't get to it until after lunch. So I'll wait for another nice day. We're supposed to have a crappy next week, so it'll be later in the week or the week after that I'll try to get it in my name, but it is insured, and I guess it'll be alright. But for there you have it. The 1966 Falcon with 69 hubcaps. And the reason I couldn't put the right hubcaps that I've got for it on it is because this right front wheel is bigger than 9.5 in the center, so my 9.5 doggy dish hubcaps wouldn't fit on it. They fit on the other 3 wheels, but this one's an oddball wheel, so once again he got me again. And then in the trunk there's a 13-inch spare, but I can save that wheel and use it for an oddball wheel for my other car if I ever need one. So it doesn't track down 2 wheels for this car, I just got to go get them. And then hopefully I can get the other set of hubcaps back on it because I like the way it looked, with trim rings and beauty and little dog dish hubcaps. But I'm kind of liking these. These are growing on me. I like it simple, so it don't have to be fancy. So I guess we'll see what happens when it happens. But it's starting to get cold. I'm cold, so I'm gonna close up for now and call this thing a wrap for today. Appreciate y'all watching my channel. Appreciate the thumbs up. Any subscribes I get, I appreciate that, and I appreciate all the comments, good, bad, or otherwise. Thanks for watching my channel. This is Slough saying thank you so much, and y'all have a great day, and good Valentine's Day to you. Woohoo! Cheers.